morning. This is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss about introduction to machine learning and the process of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enable computers to self-learn from training data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are able to detect patterns in data and learn from them in order to make it their own predictions. Then machine learning process, we have some stages of machine learning process. First one is data collection, data preparation, choosing algorithm, training model, evaluating model, and predictions. Now we discuss detail in that machine learning process. Our first stage is data collection. Data collection is collected from different sources. This type of data are collected depend upon the type of desired project. Data gathering is the first step of machine learning. The goal of this step is to identify and obtain all related problems. In this step, we need to identify different data sources, as data can be collected from various sources such as files, database, internet, or mobile devices. It is one of the most important step of the life cycle. The quantity and quality of the collected data will determine the efficiency of the output. The more will be on the data and the more accurate will be the prediction. Data may be collected from various sources. The quality and quantity of gathered data directly affect the accuracy of the desired system. And the next one is data preparation. After collecting data, we need to prepare it for further steps. Data preparation is a step where we put our data into a suitable place and prepare it to use in our machine learning training. In this step, first we put all data together and then randomize the ordering of data. This step can be further divided into two processes. First one is data exploration. It is used to understand the nature of data that we have to work with. We need to understand the characteristics, format, and quality of data. A better understanding of data leads to an effective outcome. In this, we find correlations, general trends, and outliers. Then second one is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing, the next step of pre-processing of data for its analysis. In this, we estimating the missing values of instance using mean median mode, removing duplicate instance from the data set, then normalizing the data sets. The next one is choosing a learning algorithm. In this stage, the best performing learning algorithm is researched. It depends upon the type of problem that needs to solved and the type of data we have. If the problem is labeled, classification algorithms are used. If the problem is to perform a regression task and the data is labeled, regression algorithms are used. If the problem is create clusters and the data is enabled, clustering algorithms are used. The next one is training model. The training model which we are used is trying to improve its ability. The data set is divided into training data set and the testing data set. Now the training model, in this step we train our model to improve its performance for better outcome of the problem. We use data sets to train the model using various learning algorithm. Training a model is required so that it can be understand the various patterns, rules, and features. The training test split into order of 80 by 20 and 70 by 80. It also depends on the size of the data set. Training data set is used for training purpose. Testing data set is used for testing purpose. Training data set is fed the learning algorithm. And the next one is testing model. This model is evaluated to test if the model is any good. The model is evaluated using the kept aside testing dataset. It allows to test the model against the data that has never been used for before training. Metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, etc. are used to test the performance. In this model does not perform well, the model is rebuilt using the different hyperparameter. The accuracy may be further improved by turning the hyperparameters. Then last one is prediction. In this stage, the build system is used something useful in this real world. Hence, the true value of machine learning is realized. Thank you.